If you are a homeowner in the state of Indiana, then you have recently received one of these, your property tax bill for any home that you own in the state of Indiana. If you own multiple properties, you've received more than one of these. Now, our property taxes in Indiana come due May 10th and November 10th. And the state of Indiana takes your assessed value, and on average, our taxes end up being about 1% of our assessed value. So if your assessed value is $300,000, just for easy math, then your taxes due, your annual taxes would be about 1% of that, or $3,000. Divided into two payments in May and November would mean you'd have a $1,500 payment due in May and a $1,500 payment due in November. Now again, that's just 1% of your assessed value before any credits or exemptions come off of that. But what most people don't realize is they are never caught up on their Indiana taxes. Now, you may pay the bills when they come due in May and November, or your mortgage company pays them for you if you have them escrowed and made part of your monthly payment. But what most people don't realize is that we are never caught up on our taxes. And the reason for that is because the great state of Indiana is one of like 2 states in the entire country that pays for property taxes in arrears. That means they pay for property taxes 1 full year late. Meaning this tax bill that I just got here that's due May 10th of 2023, it is for when the property was owned a full year ago. So the state of Indiana doesn't even send out property bills until they're already a year old, or a year late, I should say. So you will never truly be caught up on your taxes until you sell that property. And at that time, the title company will collect for the taxes that will come due next year during the time you own the property last year. And so that's something that you need to budget for if you are thinking of selling anytime soon or whenever. Just know that that's going to be collected and that will be budgeted as part of your closing costs. Also, the time of year that you close on your property will affect the amount that comes due. Now you know.